In this video, I'll show you how to send a direct message in Slack so you can chat with your teammates quickly and privately. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. First, open Slack on your desktop app or browser and log in with your email, Google or Apple account. Once inside, choose the workspace where you want to send the message. Each workspace is separate, so make sure you're in the right one. On the left sidebar, you will see direct messages. You can scroll to find the person you want or simply use the search bar at the top to type their name. Click on their profile and a direct message window will open. Now just type your message in the box at the bottom and press enter or hit the send button. That's it. You've sent a direct message in Slack. Simple, fast and private. Pro tip: use DMs for quick one-on-one chats but switch to channels for bigger team discussions. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Slack tips.